Hey guys, welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2020 GMC Yukon XL. So, with the incoming 2021 Yukon XL, of course production has ended on this generation of Yukon. This is my favorite Yukon that they've ever made. I still love this gen, and this is the last one we have of this generation. It's kind of sad to say that because of course the Yukon has become increasingly popular with movies, detective shows, and stuff like that. I mean, there's even songs about these, you know, with the Suburbans and stuff like that, you know, quite popular vehicles. This one's stickers here for $82,865. It has the 6.2 V8, the 10-speed automatic, as well as Denali premium package, which includes the power sunroof, the power assist steps, the wheels, 22-inch wheels, the wheel locks, and the rear seat entertainment system. Pretty cool though. Does have radar cruise control. Let's go ahead, take a peek inside. There's your power steps. In the second row, tons of room. I'll go to this side because they have a headrest up. Nice and comfortable. Drop down your screen. Looks like they forgot to prep this one. This is going to be satisfying to some of you guys. There we go. Put that right in the cup holder. In case the owner wants it. Yeah, super comfortable. You have this TV in here as well. Does this one have the remote up there? Nope. Alright, so the remotes are somewhere. Not bad at all. But yeah, without further ado, go ahead, go for a drive. These things drive so well. By far, one of the best driving SUVs, full-size SUVs on the market. This is our last Yukon XL of this generation. Pretty sad to say. We have one Suburban previous gen left and one Yukon XL. These things lived a great life. I think, what did they come out in, like 2011, 2012, this body style? No, maybe 2015. I'm not 100%. I think it was 2015. Oops. You can see great amount of passing power. 6.2 is a derivative of the ones found in your Camaro. Bose sound system as found in many GM products. I believe GM has a partnership with Bose. Great sound system, tons of clarity. You have a wireless charger right here, pretty cool. With the new Yukon, they went to full independent suspension. This one, I believe, still has a live axle in the rear. But even so, it still rides very, very well. And I think these are going to be a bargain in the used market. You know, once they start popping up for sale in the used market, you know, I think the 2020s are going to be the way to go, because you have the 10-speed, you have the 6.2. Do have the previous gen of the infotainment system, but it still works great. I mean, it's absolutely awesome. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.